What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading session. Today we had power outage, so this morning there was nothing I can do, no Wi-Fi, no kind of communication. So I had my phone and I definitely was not about to take trades on my phone, but we're going to go ahead and try to take some trades today. Watching for looks like I have IHT and AEHL. I'll go ahead and research those really quick. IHT, okay, let me also go over here and make sure my browser is working. Yeah. Alright, there we go. Now I'll go over there real quick. We only got two on the map, AEHL and IHT. So let's go ahead and flip over there. So we're at BAM SEC right now. I want to go and check the other thing first though. So Yahoo Finance, IHT, looks like it has a float of 2.74 million. IHT, no shelf registrations here, so we'll definitely be looking at it. Statistics, see what the float is over here. Float is NA, so no one knows the float over here. FinViz is 2.74, so we'll go with the 2.74 as a rough estimate. So IHT, $2.74 million in the float with no shelf registrations. The other one is AEHL. AEHL. I forgot to pull my chat up. Don't know if anyone's talking. Where is my chat? Okay. All right. Forgot to switch my Wi-Fi over here on to I was on my mobile hotspot. I got to switch it back over to the network now that the power is back up. And it is moving extra slow. Anyway, this one, AEHL, does have a shelf registration for last year. Okay, finally. So I'll put that in the notes. 2.18 million in the float. with 2.85, 2.18. So I'll add that to my notes. $2.45 million shelf 2020. Alright, this one has no news in the last 2 weeks. IHT just had a little bit of hype, so we'll have to see what that can do. Okay. IHT does look like it's in an upward trend on the daily chart. And it's also above VWAP, so it'll probably be the one that I'm watching. Don't know why this thing is moving so slow to get me up. Let's see. Okay, that came up quick. That came up super quick. Alright, right now let's go back over to Charles Schwab browser. Let's get back over there, look at what I'm looking at. So we did our research on IHT and on AEHL. AEHL just doesn't have the news to really hold up that VWAP. We're gonna have to see it back above VWAP to really see some action in it again. Again, the power was out this morning for me. We had a massive storm yesterday, knocked everything out. So, when you have a thunderstorm, and I mean, it was like the lightning was dancing outside, it's bound to mess up something electrical. So, whatever. But I'm so glad I wasn't streaming. It went out 30 minutes before I was supposed to start the stream, and hey, happens. But anyway, these are the two on the scanner. One has news, one has nothing. So we'll just have to see. Maybe IHT can get some continuation upward. We have this bottom here of the 917, and then we have another level of support right there at the $10 level. $10 level right there. So we'll see if it can hold up that $10 level, which it seems to be bouncing on right here. So let me put that in as my support right there. Don't want to see it break that 10. Okay. And I know this is well past the time that I usually trade, but today there's more storm coming, so I'm not planning on going anywhere. So I was just going to trade a little bit more since I'm sitting here with all the money right now. Just looking for it to hold up that VWAP. So VWAP right now is the out, would be the out for us. Couple of cents down, 10.18. We'll see what kind of action it wants to get over that. Has a little bit of resistance up here at the 10.50. So I'll draw that resistance up there to 10.50. And I'll look to build a position in this range since the volume is kind of down now. Looks like it's getting 300 per 1 minute candle, so I'm going to be kind of careful as well with this lack of volume. It's still meeting my criteria for the most part. So let's read the rules again. If multiple stocks are moving, wait for the obvious stock. Okay, we got two obvious stocks here. Only trade stocks from the scanner. Okay, this is on the scanner. No trades until a pullback above the VWAP. So it's definitely done pullbacks above the VWAP and consolidated in this range. Only trade above the 5-minute EMA. So it is above the 5-minute EMA. And if no catalyst on the day, size down. So that's the last thing. Now I'm looking at this 5-minute chart as well. Right here. A break of this 1050 area will be very nice. I'm gonna look to take trades at that 1050 area. So let me go ahead and get ready to do this. Looking for that 1050 area to break and hold on the bid. Love the trade up here. We'll see what it wants to do through that 1050. Got a nice little range up here, but we don't want to get faked out over the 1050. What do you think the TTD stock will do after it splits 10 to 1 tomorrow? Let me go check out the TTD stock real quick. Oh, wait. Let me look at IHT real quick so I don't miss trades, and then we'll go over there. Give me 1 sec. But I did see your comment. Okay, IHT. Will it get up there to the 50 and start to hold on the bid? There we go. Okay, I like it. I'm going to enter through this. If it can hold up that 50. I haven't seen the 50 come up here yet. So I don't know right now. Can we break that 50 and hold it? Getting a little struggle point there. Okay. So now it's looking good. All right, so let's see. And we're holding up the 50 as well. Nice. Let's see if we can get a pullback above that 50 right there. Want to see it come down and test, and I will be looking for an entry here. Now if we go ahead and breaks the 75, that's going to be a problem. All right, so let's see. Will it pull back here? Nope. All right, we're ready. I'm looking for a pullback above the 50 here. Just a little pullback and I'll be in. Come on, baby. Don't go to 11 yet. Give me that pullback. Alright, come on. Give me the pullback above the 50. Need to see it break back down. Maybe the 75, retest of the 75 will be great. Come on. Pull back down. Need to see a pullback above this 50 level to make sure that's a confirmed level. Nice. Look at that pullback there. Nice, nice. Getting ready for an entry here if it can hold up this 50. Come on, give us some red. A little bit of red will be much appreciated. Okay, and these last two candles had about 42,000 shares on them. So still just being patient. Above this 50 is what I want to see. I want to see red. It may not give it to me. Keeps on acting up. Okay, let me go back to that question that you asked about the TTD stock. Oh my goodness, I gotta keep my eyes on this right now. It continues to try to make moves. All right, I'm looking for red above the 50. I would love to see this thing retest down here in this range real quick. That's what I'm looking for. Please retest. Do not go to $11. Give me some red. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay. Give me some red. Give me more red. Yes. 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 That's what I needed. Alright. So it is above the 50. Looking for that nice little buy up off of that level. Let's let this candle close. All right. So now looks like this one wants to play the game. Needs to break. Will it break down to 70? I hope so. To retest that 50. Yes. Alright, so now I'm not buying this candle. I like to see this candle give us a little bit of consolidation in this range. So between this bottom of the 1068 and this top of the 1090 would be a nice little range for it to stay within, right in here. See if it can hold up that 50. And this is a different type of trading than scalping because there is so little volume. So you have to really be careful here. Now it's getting on down there, still staying above that 50 level, which I like. So now that 1075, 1076 is looking better and better. Let it go ahead and do its thing, still above VWAP. Will it test the 50 here? Getting pops there. Alright, so I'm going to look for this 75 break 76. Be nice. We can get it. Okay, giving us some more downward movement there. Love to see that 76 there. Break. Double bottom right there. Can we get this 76? Looking for that 76. 76 on the bid is what I'm looking for. Alright, that kind of messed up the strat right there. I'm going to let it play out here and see if it can stay within this range and stay above the 50. So that broke the strat right there. Alright, let's look at TTD. TTD. Alright, where is TTD right now? Oh my god. Look at this dip. 606 all the way. Oh my goodness. All the way up to the 27. So what is the split? Let me go look at the news. So it's supposed to be doing a 10-to-1 split. Ooh. That's scary. I would be patient on that. With the way that it's moving, oh my gosh. With the way that it's moving, I would definitely be patient on that one. To definitely see what kind of action it has throughout the rest of today, and then I'll make a deciding factor on what it does today. Okay, 1075 is up there. Can we get past that 1075, 1076 level? Can we see 1076? And I'll be out. I took right there. I'll be out down here at the 1050. Have to get out. So I'll sell at the 1049. Right there. If it can't continue to push. But that's the first entry today. Trying to see what it wants to do. Can it get back past that 75? Looking like it's about to give some downwards movement. I may just use VWAP to get out here though, because I do like this stock. VWAP is at the 1021. That's what I do. Use VWAP, and I'll get out down there. It's not that much. I have 25 shares, and I can always get back in. So I'll sell down here because it is a while off of this 9. So that's wow. That was a little plunge right there. Still above my my 9 EMA, 5-minute 9 EMA. If it comes out and stops me out, oh well. Trying to see if it can hold up that 1050 level. Looking quite weak now. See if it can get bought up off of this level. Looking for it to add in to this range if it can get back up here into the 1050 level. I'm not seeing it right now. Looking for it to get back up into that over the 1050s. Alright, there we go. Nice. Can we see the 1050? What is this? 1060s. There we go. Alright, I'm liking it. And I'm looking to add here. If it can stay in the 60s. 60 needs to come back up on the bid and I'll add. Can it stay within that 1050 range? I see. Can I see the 60s here? I see 55, so it can definitely drop a little bit. Can we see a buy up here into the 60s? Okay, holding up the 1050 right there. I like it. Can we get back past that 1-minute 9? Nice. Ooh, wow. I'm going to go ahead and add right there. See if it can stay above this level of the 1043. 1043. For 50 shares. 1043, and I'll just be out if it can't. Right down here, looking for the punch out if possible. It is still within this range, so as long as it doesn't give any huge moves down, we'll be okay. Can it hold the 1050? Needs to break this top right here of the 1080s. Can we see it? 1065 up there, 1066. Can we see the 67s on the bid? Has a nice little range here. Nice. Can we see the push? Getting a little bit of rejection. Looking for that break of that 75 there. $71. C71. There we go. Nice little pump up right there. Ooh, instant rejection right there. What's the top of this? 1085. Not looking good right there. So it needs to stay above my level right here. If it can't, I'll just be out. Let's see. It did break over this 5-minute though. See if it can test the $11 now. Gotta hold up that 75. Can we get the buyers in there? Nice little push there. Okay. Let's see if it can test that 11. Nice, way up there. All right. Perfect. Nice. Do I have, oh, I don't have my positions here. My bad, guys. Here's my position here. Up 36 cents on this one. That's my fault. Needs to hold up the 1050 or I will be out. 1049. 1049's $11, up 32 cents. I'm gonna start taking off in a little bit. It is holding this level, so I want to see more volume come into this. It's got to hold up to 1049 though. So 1049 is my out right now, right down here. See if it can go and test that 25 up there. It's above the 1075, well above the 1075, but now is the real test. Will we hold up? Will we get a little push here? Nope. So 1050 has got to hold up for me. $10.50. Can we stay above the 11s here? Start getting buyers above the 11. Bottom of this candle is 1055, so 1050 is a good spot for me. It's got to get bought up here though. Matter of fact, you know what? I'll get out break even because I don't want to risk anything on today. So 78, 1078, 1081. Have to get out break even here because I don't want to risk anything here. So I'll be out at the 81 for a winning trade. Looks like it wants to move up a little bit more. I don't know. Looking a little feisty. Can it break out of this high here? So I'm break even. It'll be a green trade either way it goes, but it needs to break this high of the 1117. Can we break it? Inching through there, nice. 41 cents up. Okay. Looking for those buyers to come in. The 9 is at the 1089, so I put it at the 1085 for me to be out. 1085 for safety reasons, of course. So if it comes down, it's still a winning trade. Can we stay over that 11? Can we get one more buy up of that 11? There it is. All right, I'm out right there. That was a slam down, kind of got me out, but I am still looking for more trades here. That was a nice little slammer. But it did not overcome this level and is still above the 5-minute 9 EMA. So it still looks good. Has a new bottom here of the 1081. $10.80s. Can it hold within the 80s? Ooh, that's a low open. May break down here. Okay, back to the 11s. Is this the dead cat bounce? This is the 1101. So we'll be looking for an 1111 entry. 1111. We can get it. Alright, so this is the dead cat bounce. It's gonna have to stay green here though. Can we push back through the 11s? And also, yeah, let's just stick with IHT. Man, these stocks move so much slower than in the morning. I know I was up like, I don't know, 50 something cents, but with the way that it's moving, that's why I put it a little bit above VWAP, or not VWAP, this the bottom of my entry, because I didn't want to take a red trade if it didn't continue. But it does look good though, so it needs to get back over the 11. I'm looking for the 1110. or it may just break down. Let's see what it wants to do. It has the 5-minute 9 EMA right here at the 1061. So it's a 20-cent drop. Once it goes below this, I'm done with it. AEHL trash. Got to get back above VWAP. So we're seeing our bounce off of the 1080. Is the 1080 the new level? Looks like. So 1110 is the spot. 1110. So we want to see 1111 on the bid. Can we see that 1111? So I put my resistance up here, right there. That's where the resistance is. The VWAP is slowly moving up. I'd like to see it kind of test back down there for another entry if it can stay above this 1050 level. So we do have a $0.25 resist or a $0.25 support level at the 1050. We have a, where's the 1025? 1025 is too far away. If it goes all the way down there, it may fail out. It needs to hold that 1050 if it does go down. And I wish to see the VWAP get up here to the 1050. Let's see, will it check down this bottom of the 1080 again? Or is it ready to play ball? It is above the 1 minute. So we'll see what this counter wants to do. If it moves up big and gives a little pullback, I'll get back in for another scalp. And I'll probably take profit on the top this time because it's the way this is moving. I have to. What do you want to do? You're sitting still, buddy. Volume was 1,500 on that one. Okay. Saw a wick form. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 times it's gotten put. Oh, wow. All right, 1110. Can we see it? On the bid, 1110. I see 11. Okay. $11.10. You see a lot of selling on the tape over here. Look at all that red. But it didn't move any. All right, 11.10 is what I'm looking for. Can we get it? 11.08. 11.06. There it is. All right, got in right there. Looking for a push higher. I'll be out at the 1080. 1080 level. Matter of fact, no, I'll be out at the 11. Break of that 11. All right, let's just do 1080 since I'm in small. 1080, and I'll look for a position to add. 1079 will be my sell point. So it comes down and breaks that level, I'm out. Want to see it hold up that 11. So 11 is our whole dollar support right there. It's getting some nice little movement here. Can we blow over that 1127, the high 25? 1125 is where it needs to go. There we go. Nice little movement there. 25 is where we need to go. So now the 11 is looking like the spot that's going to be trying to hold up. 1099. Looking for it to push up though. $10.99. It's got to stay above that $10.99 level. Don't see the 18s up here. We need to see some buying pressure down here at the 11.10. We see it. Can we get that push out of there real quick? Can we get back above the 15s? Uh-oh. Consolidation area possible. Alright, what's the bottom of this 5 minute? Bottom of this 5 minute is the 1090. So that'll have to be my out. 1089 right there. Because if it goes red, it's going to do too much. It needs to get going here. 11. Yeah, it's looking a little heavy here. Needs to stay green on this candle. If this candle goes red, I'm out. Matter of fact, yeah, that's how I think I'm gonna play it. Yep, almost got me out there. Can it break the 90s? Popping back. If it breaks that 90, I'm out. Oh boy. A lot of selling right there at the 90. Wow. Well, I was about to say, that thing's holding up good. Alright, back over here to the 390s. This one doesn't have any news though, so I'm not too interested in that one. This one's giving a nice move back down and testing the bottom here. Still above that 9 EMA. Now we need to see it back above this 1105. So went down there, tested the 9 EMA down there. Looking for some more entries on it. Still in a nice little pattern so far. Can we get back across that 1105 is the point. $11.05. Come on. Right now it is quite a ways away from this 1 minute 9 EMA, so it needs to get back through that as well, that 1097. Low is a 1075 here, so I can risk 20 cents. I can enter here and risk 20 cents here, which is what I'm thinking of doing. Just entering here and risking that 20. Yeah. Can we see the 90s? And I'll enter. Looking for the 90 hold. Okay. Still holding up this little level down here. Looking for those 90s. Can we see a hold into the 90s? Breaking down there. Pop back up. Not seeing it getting any closer to the 90s. We need to at least see 85s on the bid. Okay. Taking a little break right there. There's 91. Okay. Can we stay within the 90s? Can we break the 1105? Still not above that 1 minute 9 EMA though. $10.96. Okay. There we go. Can we break that 11? Ooh. Break down on the 1 minute 9 right there. It's got to hold up this 1075 level to look interesting. 1072 is where that 9 EMA is, so it's got to be careful. Okay, I see it. Got to get back past that 11. $85's now on the bid. Hey, looking nice. I like it. Entering there for 1107. 1075 I have to be out. 1075 have to be out of there. It breaks that. Looking for back over the 11s. Can we get an add point? $79, $78 is the out right now. So if it crashes down, I'm gonna be out of there. Gotta break that. And I'm doing that on the 9 right here. So the 5 minute 9 is what I'm using. That 1079 is what I'm using as an out. That 11 is really holding it. We can see the 11 back on the bid. I looked to add. Oh my gosh. That was quick. Gotta stay above it. If it pushes down, I'm out. Gotta get above that 11. Can we do it? If I see 11, I'm looking to add. Need to see the 86. Something above the 85. It's just sitting at the 85. It needs to move. There it is, 95. Bounced up there. 90s. Adding right there. Be out at the 1075 here. So that's my out. 1075 if it cannot get past this top here of the 1107. This is the range, so just waiting to see if this range holds. Actually, this would be at the 74 here. 74. Can we get another move up? Looking to take profit up here through that 11. Moving on up. Can we get on through that 11? Nice. $11 becoming a point of resistance. Buyers are up at the 96. Need to see a push through that 11. Okay, rejection right there. Nice. Alright, looking to take once I'm in the green. The top side of this is the 1127, so we got a nice little resistance up here. 1127. This is the igniting candle. So this igniting candle will be our out at the 1099, 1098. Needs to stay up. Elevens, can we get the buyers to move up? We see the 05. I may go ahead and put a stop out here at the 98. So 98, oh I forgot, I got 25 shares in it. 50 should be it. So sell 50 at the 98. Winning trade, but still I want to be safe here. If it's gonna go, let it go. Looking for it to stay above the 11s. Can we stay above the 11s? It's looking like it's gonna drop here. Want to see it stay above the 11s. 1101 needs to start getting bought up. 1110, yeah, I don't know. 11.2 on the bid. 11.1, can we see the 11.3? Can we see the 11.3s here? 6 on the bid, 7s, 3s. We may get a little bit of a push, maybe, on this igniting candle. So now this was my out. We're getting a little bit of a push here. Can we get the push to the highs? So the highs there, we have 1133 is the stop spot pretty much. So nice. I'm going to start taking some profit off here. Taking some profit. Profiting. Profits. Can we get on up there? Alright, so I will save, let's see, where am I? Oh, 35 shares at the 1096. So $11 breakdown. I'll hold the rest of this 35 shares, or 1099 is where I'll get out of the rest of the 35 shares. It's my sell point. So it's still a winning trade as long as it stays up. We'll see if it can go any higher to the 50s maybe. And I'll be looking to take. There we go. Getting on up there. Looking to take some profit up here as well. Oh boy, don't like that red. Alright, so the bottom here is the low of the 1121. I have to be out there. 1121. 21. So 1120 is where I'm looking to get out, because that'll at least give me this much profit. So let's see if it can test that 50 here. Alright, got me out there. Huge drop right there. I felt unsafe, so that's why I put it right there at the 20 right there. Felt unsafe right there. Getting a lot of heavy movement through there. Alright, so what else do we have? That one's still trash. That was a pretty big move down right there. And I was getting nervous because it was taking so long to push out. So I went ahead and put my stop at the 1121, and then it faded on me. So it's all good though. $559 left to trade. Oh boy. Oh, my bad, guys. My chat went off. Oh my gosh. I'm seeing your chats now. What do you think about? Welcome. Hey dude, Detox Mango, what's up? How many monitors do you have? I have one monitor. I'm looking at one screen. Looks like a drop back to the 10, then more for Daniel B. Nice, nice. Man, what happened to my chat? Give me 1 second, man. These apps, man. I was looking over there and I wasn't seeing anything, but now I just now saw it. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. Okay, I'm gonna just go to something else. What are we looking at here? IHT. Please, come on. I don't know what's up with all that. Alright, I'll just continue watching IHT. See if it'll maybe give a drop back and hold these levels above VWAP. Oh my gosh, come on chat, chill. Well, I'll just watch it here then. Alright, so yeah, Daniel B was what you said was looking correct right there for that analysis. Looks like it will drop back to 10 and then more. Anyway, these stocks are moving a little bit slower than what I'm used to, so just be patient with me. I'm not used to trading in this time period. I'm really extending my plays a little bit, but I'm just trying to kind of see what I can do in this time period. 1125, can it break over the 25s? 25, so the 25 needs to break and hold. Come on, bro. I'm telling you, this is alright, let's just wow. Let's see if it can hold those 30s. Nice. Getting in right there. Looking for the push to the 40s. If we can get it, the bottom of this candle will be my out. Low of the 1113. Have to get out there. 25 shares. 1113. Looking for a continued push and, well, a possible push, I guess. Let's see if it gets bought up here through the 13. Nice. Can we get a push out of this 39 level? We have our 9 down here. Where's our 9? 9 down here at the 1113. Can we get that push? 1130 or 1120 is where I'm looking to get out. 1119. So if it fails that, I'll go ahead and get out. 1119. Looking for the push. If we don't get it, I'm out. Looking for it to get bought up. Can we get an explosion up? Yeah. There is the fall. Got tight there. I had to get out right there. I couldn't risk that. Alright, so there was a little bit of a fall. Will it come down here and test the 1099? All good. You fixed on the monitor. Fixed on the monitor? Oh yeah. Got you. Yeah, Daniel B. Sometimes like I try to trade different patterns. I have two main patterns, but when I'm not scalping things that are moving really big, I have to kind of elongate the time that I spend in the trade. So that's kind of how IHT is doing, and I really don't want to hold IHT because it has no news on today, but still it has the possibility of going up. So I'm not trying to hold it or anything, just trying to take quick scalps where it'll give it to me. But these drops are some shaky drops. But I don't know. Just trying to stay alive in the market today. And then my chat continues to come on. I'll see it for like 2 seconds and then it goes off. Oh my gosh. And I really thought I really was not gonna trade today. Oh my gosh, it's back up. Alright, let's play this. Let's see the break. Can we get the break of the 30s? Break of the 30s. There we go. Nice. Enter there. Alright, so I'm in small share size. I have to see what it wants to do. If it can push out of this level, that would be great. If not, I can't be greedy. I'll be out at the 11s. So the bottom of this candle is the 11. So yeah, 11 is my out. Getting a nice pop there. Can it get me back to the green on the day? I don't think so. It's got to hold up the 11 though. So I'll put it at 10.99 and then I'll go and continue working on this chat. Alright. 10.99. The only reason I'm doing this is because it has this long wick off of the 9 EMA, which sometimes mean that it can go up higher than go down lower, because it's got a lot of buyers to fight down here. But anyway, I'm gonna be patient, see if it can get me back on the green on the day, and you know, not try to overstress on this. Getting a nice push out. Can we get the continuation? Looking for it to hold up that $11. So even if it does give a drop right here, I'm okay. Looking for that blast out of here. The top side here is the 1145. Let me go back. I'm trading on hope? What do you mean? This is how you want to make big money. What do you mean I'm trading on hope? I'm 24 cents up in the profit. What do you mean I'm trading on hope? Daniel B, my boy. Anyway, you can look at my position size here. I'm 32 cents in the profit right now. So I'll let that run to 50 cents in the profit. And I'm trading on hope. So, okay. I'll set my stop out to the break even, 1132. Alright. Or actually, you know what? I'm going to let it continue. I'm just going to let it continue. 42 cents in the profit. Let's see if we can touch 12. I'll take it the 12s. Because it does have me green on the day. So looking for that 12 lunch. What's the bottom of this? This low is 1156. So that's where I'll go ahead and get out. If it does spike down here, get out at the 1156. Still a green trade from where I entered, so all good. Looking for the push. Can we get that push? Let's see, what else do I need? What do you mean I'm up? Of course I don't know it's going to go up. I'm trading in such a short time period. I'm not using, you know, when you're trading like large caps or something where you know where the supports and resistance are, it's a little bit easier. But when you're trading something like this that's moving 50 cents, it's extremely hard to calculate where it's going to go. And look at this. Look at this drop. From the 1197 all the way down here to the 50s. So if it breaks this, I'm out. It doesn't matter about do I know which way it's going. It's a quick guesstimation that you have to make here. And right now I'm still green. And that's what makes you profitable, is taking green trades. So I don't know where it's going. I don't know where it's going, but I do know one thing. I'm in the green and I have my risk managed right here at the 1156. So if it breaks that, I'm out with a green trade. If it wants to go to the moon, praise the Lord. I can't, it's too short of a time period to say, oh well, you know, you don't know which way it's going. Of course I don't. These are trash stocks. We are in the garbage can. It's a reason they call them penny stocks. We are deep in the garbage can already. And I know that. So I don't try to guesstimate. I try to let it work for me if it can. But anyway, there it is. Drop out right there. So if it wanted to go up, hey, there it goes. You're up, but didn't know it will go up. All right, let me go ahead. Okay, finally it's bringing it up. Oh my gosh. Lane. All right, where did it go now? So, like, look at this. How was I supposed to calculate this? How would I know that it was going to break this bottom? I didn't. So I had my stop set so that I could get me out, especially after a topping tail like this. You got to get out on these penny stocks. Got to let it recoup, reassimilate. AEHL still trash down there. Okay. Oh my gosh, this thing took forever to update. All right, where we at? All right, so we look like we like this one. Oh yeah. All right, I'll take this one. Let's see, 75 took right there. Small position size, looking for a little bit of a move up. Let's see. What's the bottom of this? Bottom is the 1150. I need to be out. 1150. This thing is so slow today. I guess the storm yesterday really did me in. If it breaks, oh well. We'll see if it can consolidate above this igniting candle. There it is. Little pop out. Up 12 cents. Back down. See how quick this moves? There's no calculating this, bro. No calculating this. 80 cents. Come on, bro. Can we see the 80s on the bid is what I'm looking for. 70s. Can we see a break of the 70s? Break. Break of the 70. And what's this? The 1160 I'll go ahead and dump out if it doesn't want to move up. 59s. Yeah, if it wants to dump, I'll be out right there. But if it wants to continue higher, that'd be great. Looking for back above the 70s, but it's looking like it's going to fade here. The sellers coming up there in the volume. Not really sure what they want to do. So it did get me out right there. Nice little dive down. And another thing, Daniel B, you were not here for my rules, the rules of my trading. I don't think you heard those, so let me go over those again. So Daniel B, what style of trading do you use for your wait a minute, why is my camera frozen? Give me one sec. Why is my camera frozen here? Give me one sec. Oh wow. Okay. I wonder why my camera froze. My camera died. Alright. That's funny. Anyway, let's go ahead and get that down for right now. So, Daniel B, you said that what strategy are you using? Are you even trading penny stocks? Cause large cap strategies don't really work on these short time frames. You have to really be fast with those predictions of where it's going. So what do you use for what you're doing? All right. What do you use? And now my chat is updating. I don't know. I think they came and worked on the Wi-Fi this morning, and it went out. It went out again. So it went out again, and I was like, okay, well maybe I won't trade today. But it came back on and would seem to be on for a while, and I was like, I'll just pop in. Now, come on. Come on. All right, IHT, are you going to give us another chance? It's consolidating. It's below the 1 minute 9 EMA. It's looking a little weak there. That one's also fading. Wow. Got a dead sale over here. Nothing I can do about that. Oh well. We'll trade without the camera. I forgot it was on the charger today, but the power was out. I've been trading penny stocks for 10 years. Okay, so what strategy do you use? Do you use the buy the dip method? Are you buying and holding? And what criteria are you looking for? Because these two stocks that are on my scanner, this one has no news in the last 2 weeks. I usually trade news. I wherever the news is, that's where I like to go. IHT, on the other hand, did have a little bit of news, but it was more like hype news. So what are you looking for? Teach me, Yoda. Teach me, because the thing is about this channel, I don't disregard anybody's experience. You know, Daniel B, you've been trading for 10 years. Look, drop some knowledge. Let's go. All right, so we are back up. Can we stay up? Can we get? Yeah, there we are. All right, I added right there. I don't know if no, I can't get any more. I'll just stick right there and let it breathe for a little bit. Anyway, finally, come on and pop up. There we go. All right, so I will be out at that $11 mark. I have to go ahead and break it off. $11. I'm trying to get this. My phone is coming up right now, so I'll get the camera up in just a bit. $10.99. And I'll set my stop right there. If it wants to break that, hey, let it go. All right. All right. Back from the grave. Never mind. Doesn't have enough power to even run the camera. Anyway, news, what you're seeing are pre-setups to attract retail traders. Yeah. Oh, I know what you're doing with penny stocks. You're buying them before they move, right? You're buying them like months before they move, right? If you want to make money on a bigger price swings, you have to buy low as possible. True. Got you now. So you're buying before the move. Okay, that's a whole different strategy that I've never really got into on penny stocks. Now, when I was doing spread options on the larger cap stocks, okay, that made sense. But, you know, I do understand where you're coming from, making the most money. So you're buying them super low. You're buying them when they're like $2 and just riding up, right? So testing the 12 right now. I am in there 31 cents up. See if it can get me back green on the day. I would be a happy camper. 12.26. Looking to take profit once I hit green. So try to avoid penny stocks. Well, I like penny stocks because, like, when I was trading options, I've made some big gains, but I also made some big losses. So it was all of it is volatile, all of it is risky. But what I like to do is penny stocks. I do like penny stock trading. Now, I never tried to day trade options ever, so I don't know how that would work out for me. But it looks like it's pulling back a little bit. I mean, it's okay. I just let it go. Anyway, what was I saying? Will it hold up this level here of 1189? The bottom is 1141. So I'll move that to 1141. If it wants to crash out, I'll be out at the 1141. Not a big loss anyway. All right, every second post. Looks like you're seeing. Oh, every second post. Bro, my chat is tripping today. Let me go check. So I'm seeing, I respect everything. I've been trading for 10 years. News, what you're seeing is pre-set up to attract retail traders. If you want to make money, bigger price swings. In penny stocks, it is possible to predict this movement. Yes. So try to avoid penny stocks. Looks like you are not seeing the whole chat. Something wrong with the chat. Okay, let me go over to YouTube real quick. Let's go to YouTube. Cause I should be seeing everything. I don't know why I'm only seeing like just a little bit. Okay. No, it's the same thing. I'm seeing stream Twitch. Looks like we'll drop at 10. It's the same thing that I'm seeing on my screen here. Same thing. I'm seeing everything that you put in. News. What are you seeing? Preset. Yeah, I'm seeing there. Yeah. Now what was I about to say? On YouTube, it is a little bit. It's a 30-second delay. So you kind of gotta give me that as well. Think what you're doing now, just hoping that the price will go to resistance or support. Yeah, but this is what scalping is. You scalp what you can and go ahead and get out. What am I doing here? I need to find an exit point. All right, so $12 needs to stay above the 12. $12 looks like it's gonna pull back a little bit, but I'm in small right now anyway. I'm not really like gonna lose my arms and legs if it does go down. Looking for it to get bought up. Let's see. 1184. What's the bottom of this? Low of the 1177. So we can move it up a little bit. Move it up to 1150 for a hold. 1150. Now sell down there at the 1150 now. So that would be risking 30 cents. But if you want to make big money, you have, wait, no, that's the wrong thing. But if you want to make big money, you have to risk more. And those price fluctuations can wipe you out. Yes, true. Now, that is something I absolutely agree with. Sizing in is something that I could do. But the thing is, right now, this account it's not a $10,000 account. It's what, 3,000? It's a $3,000 account. So what I'm doing now, I trade and I do the analysis. But I do have money to put in, but I'm like, do I want to risk that yet? Because I have other things that I'm trying to do as well, purchases that I'm trying to do. But putting a whole bunch of money into these penny stocks and these kind of moves, it would be good money on a 46-cent gain or whatever. But still, I have to be mindful of the other things that I have to handle in my life as well. So I can play with 3,000 in this account and be okay. I'm not losing an arm and a leg every day. What is this? So the break even is the 1184. $12 breakdown. I'll be out. So we'll sell up. Nope. Cancel that order. Sell at the $12 mark. If it breaks that down, still a green trade. Green trade, green trade, green trade. Learn from professionals. YouTubers are useless. Just my opinion. Okay. So what professionals would you tell me to go and learn from? What professionals that you would suggest? You're already getting bad habits in your thinking. What do you mean? I was just asking. I was just asking what professionals would you tell me to go and watch? Mark Douglas. Let's go look him up. Mark Douglas. Okay, Mark Douglas. Mark Douglas. How to think like a professional. How to think like a professional trader. Trading psychology. Nice, nice. And the other person you said was Jesse Livermore. Let's go look him up. Jesse Livermore. I would definitely check these people out. And that's what I'm saying, bro. This is what this channel is for. Look, we're not here just to bash. I'm not going to say, oh, I'm not going to check that guy out. I know what I'm doing. Look, I can always learn. I'm an eternal student. Okay. Oh, I forgot about my position over here. Oh, I already got stopped out of it. Anyway, I didn't see myself get stopped out. Anyway, let me go and look these people up. Mark Douglas, Jesse, The Disciplined Trader book. Okay. Mind over market. Why is that? What? Okay, so 21 Investing Rules by Jesse Livermore. 21 Investing Rules. Stocks and the Wisdom of Jesse Livermore. Are these guys mainly large cap or mid cap? I don't think they're trading penny stocks though. They're trading. Looks like they're trading some. They're trading some big names. They're on Buffett's level. Press buy or sell. Yeah. Yeah. Press buy or sell. Monkey can do this. Is that a book? Am I tripping? Buy or sell. Let's see. Is that something? Highly recommending buy a book, How to Trade in Stocks. Okay. I'm taking notes. I'm taking notes. That stopped me out at 12. Okay. Watch A. Anton Creel videos. A. Anton Creel. Martin. The Discipline Trader book. This. Okay. Discipline Trader. Okay. Anton Creel videos, and also buy all 3 books from Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch books. Lynch books. Okay, I think that's the last thing you posted. Maybe you got some more coming, but appreciate it. Appreciate it. I will take notes. Like I said, this channel is not to say I'm perfect or anything like that. It's just for me to trade live and get network with other traders. Okay, 1211. This thing, let's see, what's this? 1178 is the previous support. 1178. 1225. 1225. Wow. And now I burned all of my capital, so I don't even know if I want to trade anymore. 1234. 1232 entry. 1232. What's the top of this? 1235. 36. All right, nobody is perfect. Yeah, true. But you know what I've learned during trading, if you would have seen me starting trading and then now, it was such a big difference, because one, I had to realize that first I had to find a strategy for my account size. That was the first thing. And then I had to make sure, because I traded options from 2016, 17 ish area, traded spread options in there. And then I had a lot of schooling going on, had a lot of other things, so I couldn't really spend time researching my options like I should. And then I got into swing trading. I was swing trading like Walmart, Foot Locker. What's some other ones I was trading? AMD might have been one. Uh, I was swing trading some nice slow movers. Not with a lot of volatility, but they did make me some good money. And I actually took all of the money that I made from there and invested it into safer stuff that wasn't the stock market. So now with this account, I'm just playing with this 3,000 account. I do want to get it, continue growing it, continue adding money, but there's right now, especially with everything that's going on, I just have my real investments in safer stuff because I'm not trying to have a $3,000 account in penny stocks just yet. I just don't have I guess the faith in the penny stocks just yet to be throwing that kind of money in here. Because I'd rather not get burned. I already got too many investments to be playing so risky. But I do understand that the risk can be very profitable. So it's one of those things that I had to do within myself. Like, okay, do I want to risk, even though I have all this over here, do I want to risk this much in the penny stocks? Do I want to really go like head over heels right now? And that just wasn't adding up for me. So I'd rather just have a bunch of safe investments that bring in income so I don't have to do much per week. Path, just trying to put you on the right path. Oh, yeah, got you. No problem. But like I said, I want to take everything that I can on the way up as I'm moving towards where I want to be in trading. And, advice from people that have been trading for years is great. Great advice. Because think about it. If I wasn't on this live stream right now, would I be talking to you? No. So by me live streaming and letting you see what I'm doing, you can be like, hey, there's some things you could be doing better. And you can drop your ideas. Now, there are some people that come in and say that and they have no ideas to give. They're like, oh, you suck at trading. It's like, okay, tell me what I'm doing wrong. And then they don't tell you anything. But you actually gave some good material that I'll go and check out and definitely get into that. I'm back in right there, small share size. I don't know what this thing wants to do throughout the day. It went up and touched the 1250, 1175 there. I'm in with super small share size. It doesn't even matter right now. I didn't even think it was going to get up there, but it did. So whatever. 1250. Let's look at the daily chart. 1270s. It's way up there. I don't see any kind of bottom here, so I don't know, man. I just put it at, I don't know if I want to put it at break even. Getting up there to the 8s. 50 cents up. Very small share size. Oh well, I guess I picked the right level for the breakout though. The breakout was the top right here of the 1239. And I will just be out at the bottom of this igniting candle if it comes down. So 1217. I'll just be out right there. Actually, no, I'll do break even because that way it'll keep me from going red. Break even is at the 12, so I do 12.25 for $0.25 level, 24. Anyway, yeah, for sure. But Jesse Livermore book, it is from the 1940s, but it's accurate for today. Got you. You know what? I've noticed that books that study psychology stay around a long time. Books, because humans don't really change that much. Of course, we learn new things, but we're still human. And, it's not something that changes like super sporadically. One of my day rules, don't trade day spikes. Don't trade day spikes. Okay. So I guess we're the opposite, because one of my rules is definitely trade day spikes, especially if they hold up the levels that I want them to. Let's see, what's the bottom of this? 1239 will be my out. That was my entry. So 1241, 1245. We'll just keep it a day green trade, and we'll sell. Let's see, we'll sell the bottom of this. Bottom low is a 1257. 1257, moving my stop up there. So if it crashes, I'll still take a green trade. Not a lot retail traders know how stock market really working. I'm up 94 cents right now. Let's see if it continues. The low here is a 76, so I get out at the 76. 76 right there. Okay. Did that get me out? 80 cents right now, but I'm on small share size, so whatever. Trading against retail traders, yes they are. Dude, I know for a fact that professionals are killing retail traders at some points. You have to switch your thinking. That's what I want to see. That's what I see. Yeah. So up 89 cents there. 82. Let's see if we can challenge that $14 level. If so, that would be great. You're not stupid, but just naive, telling the truth. Got you. I guess if you were to see my other investments, you would say, wow, never mind. Because with what I'm playing with in this account, it's like just it's like, wow, it's nothing compared to the investments that I have. So for the most part, I try to take good trades that are good setups, because you never know when this kind of stuff is going to happen. It doesn't happen all the time, definitely, but it gives you a good something to think about, I guess you can say like that. Low was a 72, so 71. If it breaks that 70, I'm gonna have to be out. 70, up 72 cents. I'm just judging what you are doing here. Got you. Yeah. I mean, I was just playing a resistance break right here, which gave me from the 1240. Let's see where this thing goes. Looks like it wants to visit the $14. So I'm up $1.04, $1.10 there. And the new out is the low of this of the 1311. 1311. So that's where I'll be out. I am green on the day, but of course this was a slower day. This was the end of the money. But whatever, we'll see if it can visit that that's the 70s or something like that. If it can't, if it just pulls back and fails this level, I'll be out. Okay, getting up there. Let's do 1375 now, moving up. Or look for 1375. It needs to hold up this 1336. So we'll draw our pattern here for a support. So 13, about that 1338, 1340 level. At 35 level is where I want to be trying to get out. 1335 is where I would like to be trying to get out here. Breaks that down. Needs to hold that level. It may come and test that level, but I'm gonna be getting out. $1.25 in the profit. And you have interest in trading, and I see you're willing to learn. That's why I'm trying to help. Got you. Got you. All right. Let's see if we can go higher and test something else. Getting on up there, $1.55 in the profit. So I make this my low, 1352. 1350 break. 1350 break, I will be out if it cracks that level. Needs to continue. If it doesn't, I'll be out here. Do you want to crash or do you want to go? Which one? Can we get over the 75? I see 75 there. I don't see it on the bid though. There it is on the bid. 1375. So definitely this low of the 1355 will have to be my out. If it can push up a little bit. Because I don't want to exit this and then it just shoots down. And this is definitely the last trade of the day. $1.31 in the profit. Went crazy today. Yeah. That's why I'm trading it. My strategy may not meet your criteria, but I do have criteria written down right beside me that I follow every day. And it is, where is it? Oh, it's on the floor. It fell on the floor. Yeah, I do have my 5 criteria that I follow every day that's been keeping me safe and keeping me green. Anyway, the bottom of this one is the low of the 55. So we'll set it at the 50, or did I already put it at the 55? 50, okay. Let me go ahead and set that up here. I will be ready to get out if it does not test. The bottom of this one is about to become my low, so 1373. 1373 is the out, so a break. Ooh, might go ahead and break down here and get me out. If it cannot push, I'll be out. This is a kind of a double top, yeah. 1394. 1394, that is a little bit of a double top, but it didn't come right together, so we don't know how strong that double top will be. Will it push the short side of here? The low of this one is the 67. 67, which is where I need to move up to. 67. 67s, and I will be out at the 67 if it breaks this down. If it can't push, I'm out. Up $1.73, $2. So the low of this one is 1384. And I will be out if it snaps down. 1384. If it gives me red here, I will be out. $1.76 in the profit. Went crazy today. Yeah. That's what happens. Yep. I've been watching it since this morning. Alright, getting up there. Let's go to the 1425 for an out. It'll be the next out that I'm looking for if it can push up. 1425, but for right now, we're right under this candle. If it knocks this candle down, then I'm done. $1.84. Let's see if we can get $2 per share. This is what I've been waiting on literally all day. It just wouldn't go. Alright, so the low here is a 20. So we'll get the 20 here. See if it can continue to break this top, and we'll get the 20 in here as a stop. Can we get bought up here? 20. Okay, looking a little heavy there. Nice, $2.25 in the profit. We'll be stopping out after this candle if it does break down. So, yeah. I mean, I have been working on a strategy, not just failing, okay? Sometimes it just takes the right entry, you know what I mean? Alright, there it is. So I am green on the day, got stopped out right there. So let's look at my realized gains and losses here. Top move was $75.79 taken off. Then I had a 50-cent run, 40 something cent run, and I had 3 losing trades today, which I got stopped out on. So that was my trading for the day. And I mean, you know, everybody to each their own. If I traded just like you, I would be you, and I don't want to be you. So I want to be able to capitalize on these big moves. Let me look at these buys and sells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of those. I'm going to take lunch. Good luck. Have a great day. You too, man. Alright, so that is my trades for the day. Traded IHT, held it all the way up after it finally gave me a good break. Green day, nice little green day. I've been watching IHT literally all day. But I have to get out of here. Tomorrow I will have the camera on. I had it on for a little bit, but it looks like since the power went off, it didn't get any charging. And when I started the stream, it just went out. And I didn't even know it had shut off. But anyway, if you're going to continue trading, please be careful. We'll be back tomorrow morning. And yeah, That's it. So I mean, today I traded a lot later than I usually do. I missed the morning trades, but I mean, I guess it paid off just being patient here. But yeah, we'll definitely be back tomorrow watching our low float movers. And let's see what I got here. I want to go ahead and shut down. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.